Let's move along then and tell you that Trinidad and Tobago Olympic sprinter Michelle Ahye has been banned for 2 years for a whereabouts rule violation. Ahye, who was sixth in both the 100 meters and the 200 meters at the 2016 Rio Olympics, and again sixth in the 100 meters at the 2017 RAAF World Championships in London, is suspended until April 2021, meaning she will miss this year's Olympic Games in Tokyo, Japan. And the Athletics Integrity Unit, the independent anti-doping watchdog for track and field, says the 27-year-old will also see all her results from April 19 to August 30 of 2019 scrubbed from the record books. Ahye had been provisionally suspended on August 30, a ruling that saw her already miss last year's World Championships in Doha, Qatar. Elite athletes are bound to declare their location for potential visits by anti-doping officials. Any combination of 3 missed tests or filing failures within a 12-month period is considered a violation of anti-doping rules and carries an automatic 2-year ban.